Crypto, April 24, looking at Bitcoin on the hourly chart, and we see that Bitcoin has been moving sideways since the 22nd of April for the last 2 days. This hour, there is a reversal, a bullish reversal happening. So for this hour, Bitcoin moving upwards. On the 4-hourly, we see that Bitcoin is still moving in an upwards direction since its drop on the 22nd of April on moderate volumes. On the daily, we can see that the stochastic RSI and RSI are both at 42.67. We can also see that the money wave has just turned green and the price to volume indicator in the yellow is nearing the zero line, about to move over. So on the daily, potentially looking bullish. The interesting thing here is when we go to the weekly. So let's go to the weekly. So here on the weekly, 18th of April, today's the 24th, so this candle will close tomorrow. What we're getting here is an inverted hammer. Now, an inverted hammer is a very bullish candle. This inverted hammer, which will be closing tomorrow, is a signal that we'll be looking for a reversal. So this is the 4th week of downtrend in the Bitcoin price. But seeing this inverted hammer is giving us a strong indicator that we're about to see a reversal of the pattern. So we would expect next week for Bitcoin to start to increase its price. Potentially Bitcoin can go either way, of course. But good to see this candlestick pattern. Here. Inverted hammer looking positive for Bitcoin. Okay, let's go to the crypto bubbles and have a look what's going on there. And today we have Curve, KNC, Carver, all up around 8 to 12%. Ape once again up 6%. Audio up 6% as well. Fear and Greed, Extreme Fear. Heat map mainly red. Liquidations, 72.83 million of liquidations, made up of 47 million of longs liquidated and 25 million of shorts liquidated. Fear and Greed, as we said, 24 in Extreme Fear. Let's have a look at a little bit of the news today. And we see the Silk Road founder Ross Ulbricht to forfeit $3 billion in Bitcoin to extinguish his debt to the government. Now he's copping a life sentence. He may never get out of jail, but doing this would be a step in the right direction to helping him finally, one day in the future, get out of jail. We have something similar at the moment happening with Julian Assange. He's being released from England, but getting extradited to the US, where he is likely to face also a lifetime in prison. So the US government taking revenge, or are they just performing their duty? That's a matter for each person to make up their own mind. And ETH witnessing surging activity amid the price stagnation. So things are quiet at the moment, we all know that, but Ethereum seeing a fair bit of activity. Binance accused of sharing client data with Russia. We spoke about that yesterday. Coinbase NFT launches its beta. Stripe announces crypto payout on Twitter via the Polygon network. So Stripe announcing that they're partnering with Twitter to pay contributors on Twitter. Interesting development there. SHIB army burns 287.3 million Shiba. So Shiba is at the moment in the process of burning quite a lot of their tokens. And why would you burn your Shiba tokens? Why would you do that? The reason people are burning their SHIB tokens are when you burn your SHIB tokens, you're rewarded with Ryoshi rewards, meaning that 0.49% of all Ryoshi transactions will be distributed to owners of burnt SHIB. So you're going to receive an APR 43.76% annual percentage rate APR, but the APR does fluctuate, so this can change with time. So people are giving up their SHIB tokens to receive an interest rate, an APR on their burnt SHIB. The effect of burning SHIB, of course, will increase the scarcity of the token and therefore should increase the price of the token. Let's see how Shiba goes with this action. Looking positive anyway. And if we go back to Bitcoin once again, something that I do like to see here is this inverted hammer on the weekly. If we see here, we had a similar situation around 2 months ago, and we came back with a strong bullish candle. So the indication is that the inverted hammer is telling us that we should expect a reversal. The inverted hammer is a reversal pattern, and we should see a reversal of the trend, which is a downtrend. So we should see Bitcoin next week, starting in a couple of days, moving to the upside. Of course, anything can happen, but the reversal is something we'd all like to see, or most of us anyway. So if you like the content, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. All right, great talking to you. Talk again soon. Bye for now.